Lesson number one, the concept of sudden genetic change, which breeds true in an organism, is visualized as natural selection, inheritance of acquired characters, mutation, independent assortment. So, correct answer is option 3. Mutation is the sudden genetic change within an organism. Question number 2. The term sport was used for the sudden appearance of heritable trait by Morgan, Muller, Darwin, De Vries. So correct answer is option 3. Darwin used the term sport for mutation. Question number 3. Who coined the term mutation? Morgan, Darwin, De Vries, Mendel. So correct answer is option 3. De Vries coined the term mutation for the first time. Question number 4. The true mutation was first discovered by Muller, Morgan, Stadler, De Vries. So correct answer is option 2. Morgan discovered the true mutation for the first time. Question number 5. Mutation is an abrupt or discontinuous change which is inherited or a factor for plant growth, a change which affects the parent only and is never inherited, or a change which affects the offspring of F2 generation. So correct answer is option 1. Mutation is an abrupt or discontinuous change which is inherited in the offspring. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. मोस्टली म्यूटेशंस आर हेरिटेबल, नॉन हेरिटेबल, हार्मफुल, बेनिफिशियल. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 6. Mostly mutations are heritable and transferred to the next generation. Question number 7. Abrupt and distinct change in the structure of a gene is called point mutation, forward mutation, backward mutation, chromosomal aberration. So correct answer is option 1. Abrupt and distinct change in the structure of a gene is known as point mutation. Question number 8. Micromutations involve changes in satellite region of chromosome, in mini chromosomes, in microsomes, in single gene. So correct answer is option 4. Micromutation involves changes in single gene. Question number 9. The change of chromosomal parts between non-homologous pair of chromosomes is crossing over, translocation, inversion, transition. So correct answer is option 2. The change of chromosomal parts between non-homologous pair of chromosomes is known as translocation. Question number 10. Which of the following can be called a mutation? Halving of the chromosome number at meiosis, the doubling of chromosome number after syngamy, or possession of an additional chromosome, all of the above. So correct answer is option 3. The possession of an additional chromosomes is a mutation. Question number 11. Mutation causes normally small changes, negligible changes, large changes, no change. So correct answer is option 3. Mutation normally causes large changes. Question number 12. Mutation are generally dominant, recessive, codominant, incompletely dominant. So correct answer is option 2. Mutations are mostly recessive in nature. Question number 13. The first mutant reported by Morgan on Drosophila was red-eyed male, red-eyed female, white-eyed male, white-eyed female. So correct answer is option 3. The first mutant that was reported by Morgan in Drosophila was white-eyed male. Question number 14. The earliest record of point mutation is short-legged sheep by Seth Wright, or white-eyed male Drosophila by Morgan, or autotrophic mutants of Neurospora by Beadle and Tatum, or mutants of Escherichia coli discovered by Josiah Lederberg. So correct answer is option 2. The earliest record of point mutation was observed in white-eyed male Drosophila by Morgan. Question number 15. Short-legged variety of sheep is an example of recessive germinal mutation, dominant germinal mutation, recessive somatic mutation, or dominant somatic mutation. So correct answer is option 3. Short-legged variety of sheep is an example of recessive somatic mutation. Question number 16. The genetic mutation occurs in DNA, RNA, protein, RNA and protein both. So correct answer is option 1. Genetic mutation occurs in DNA. Question number 17. Which of the following undergoes change in mutation? Chromosome, structure of gene, sequence of gene, any of the above. So correct answer is option 4. Structure of gene, chromosomes as well as sequence of gene, they can undergo mutation. Question number 18. The locus of mutation is gene, chromosome, centromere, nucleus. So correct answer is option 1. The locus of mutation is mostly gene. Question number 19. Gene mutation is caused due to reproduction, due to linkage, or due to change in sequence of genes in DNA, or due to change in sequence of gene in DNA. So correct answer is option 3. The gene mutation is caused by change due to a change in sequence of genes within the DNA. The natural rate of mutation is 1 by 10 raised to the power minus 10, or 1 by 10 raised to the power minus 6, or 1 by 10 raised to the power 5, or 1 by 10 raised to the power 10. So correct answer is option 2. The normal rate of mutation is 1 by 10 raised to the power minus 6. Question number 21. The mutagenic nature of X-rays and ultraviolet radiation was discovered by Beadle and Tatum, Madame Curie, or Muller, Hardy Weinberg. So correct answer is option 3. Muller discovered the mutagenic nature of X-rays and ultraviolet radiations. Question number 22. The title Artificial Transmutation by X-rays was published by Morgan, Muller, Stadler, de Vries. So correct answer is option 2. Muller published the Artificial Transmutation by X-rays. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें. Question number 23. H. G. Muller received the Nobel Prize for discovering linked gene, or discovering the mutation induced by X-rays, or for his studies on the genetics of Drosophila, for proving that DNA was a genetic material. So correct answer is option 2. Muller received the Nobel Prize for discovering the mutation that are induced by X-rays. Question number 24. X-rays generally cause polyploidy, frameshift mutation, chromosomal aberration, or paramutation. So correct answer is option 3. X-rays generally cause chromosomal aberration. Question number 25. Alpha and beta rays do not cause mutation in human being because they are non-ionizing, they do not react with DNA, they do not penetrate through the skin, they are not unnatural. So correct answer is option 3. Alpha and beta rays do not cause mutation because they do not penetrate through our skin. Question number 26. Which of the following cause mutation, not polyploidy, crossing over, sodium chloride, colchicine, gamma rays? So correct answer is option 4. Gamma rays cause mutation, but they are not involved in inducing polyploidy. Question number 27. Non-ionizing radiation commonly used for inducing mutation in organisms are ultraviolet radiations, beta rays, X-rays, gamma rays. So correct answer is option 1. Ultraviolet rays are non-ionizing radiations that are commonly used for inducing mutation. Question number 28. The best mutagen for microorganism is X-rays, ultraviolet rays, gamma rays, alpha rays. So correct answer is option 1. X-rays are the best mutagen for microorganism. Question number 29. The sites in the gene at which mutation occur with unusually high frequency are referred as RACONs, palindromes, hotspots, mutons. So correct answer is option 3. Hotspots are the sites on the gene where mutation occurs at high frequency. Question number 30. The smallest unit of genetic material which upon mutation produce a phenotypic effect is muton, inducer gene, mutator gene, regulator gene. So correct answer is option 1. Muton is the smallest unit of genetic material upon which mutation produce any phenotypic effect.